Are your broilers dying between 2 to 4 weeks old? You might be facing Gumboro disease. In this video, I will explain the symptoms, causes, and how to prevent it before you lose your entire flock. Gumboro disease, also called infectious bushel disease (IBD), is a viral disease that attacks young chickens. It mainly affects broilers between 2 to 6 weeks old. It weakens the immune system and makes birds vulnerable to other infections. Early symptoms. Watch for sudden depression, ruffled feathers, white watery diarrhea, loss of appetite, and birds sitting quietly. Advanced symptoms. When severe, trembling, dehydration, event pecking, sudden high mortality, birds dying quickly. Mortality can reach 20% to 50% if uncontrolled. Gumboro damages the immune system. Even birds that survive grow slowly, respond poorly to vaccines, become weak. This reduces profit. What to do immediately? If suspected, isolate sick birds, improve hygiene, reduce stress, give multivitamins and electrolytes. There is no direct cure. Prevention is key. Prevention. Vaccinate at day 10 to 14. Give booster at day 18 to 21. Maintain biosecurity. Use clean water. Avoid overcrowding.